Hello and welcome to the new episode of Stun Muffin YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to make Rubik's Cube model. Let's get dive into it. I'm actually search in Pinterest some kind of Rubik's Cube like this, and I select this one is best for Rubik's Cube. Let's get started in Blender modeling. Before we do, we need to control our scene properties in units. If they are okay, let's get start. In here, I'm gonna just adding a cube in here, add and mesh in cube in here. And I need to show our objects wires. So we need to go overlays in here and open the geometry wireframe. So the next part is we need to give this cube a little bit modifiers to in here. We give this cube to bevel modifier. In here, we select the edges and type offset. It's a little bit, it's okay. I'm just typing in here and we have, it's a little bit segments over here and it's done. It's okay, I guess. So we have to give this cube an inset. So let's just go to object edit mode. And before we do, I'm just selecting the object mode again. So this bevel is okay. And just apply this cube. The next thing I'm going to in edit mode to select these faces and press shift to add to select more faces too, like here, and it's okay. And press I to inset. It's a little bit, so it's okay, I guess. And I'm just looking for it here. Okay, so I give to this cube insets one more time, like this, but this gives a little bit more extend our align to normals. So press Alt E and extrude faces along normals, just like outside of the box or inside. Which one is best? Is inside best for this? And it's okay, I guess. And then I quit the edit mode to object mode. Then I give to this cube a little bit subdivision surface. So we have a problem for first time. So we need to add some kind of support edges. So inside, I'm just turn off the edit mode display. In here, we need to a little bit add some kind of edges here. All the selected edges, Control B to bevel. Just like it's a little bit. Rolling your mouse wheel, add some kind of edges or go to bevel, just add segment 2 in, as you can see, like here. So let's look at this time again. So we have a problem again. So what is the main problem of this? We need to add some kind of supporting edges, and it's not actually giving to these edges to this side. So I'm just turn on here, turn on edit mode and Control R to support this here. Just this one and one more support length is here. The second one here and also this here too. And here too. Okay. And also give to another edges to give any kind of look cut here. Then one more. And it's okay, I guess. Let's have a look for turn off the wireframe mode. to see and go to object mode and right click and shade auto smoothing here. So we have some kind of actually perfect for subdivision here again. Giving this one too. It's okay, I guess. Yep. Okay. We are actually done with it. So the next part is I'm gonna add a little bit array in here. So we have to tree, and in here we have to give this actually cube to another array like here, but we just clear this factor x. We don't want to. We want to y axis, just 3 of them. Perfectly fine. The next one, again, we actually give another one array, but this time we have to give z value is 1. So in here, count side is 3, and it's done. It's perfectly well done. And I'm going to actually apply this erase. But subdivision is actually like here to another part of the erase. So we are giving to all of this actually object just one side, right? So I'm just actually expand this side to change my shader editor to give this actually object any kind of material, to give any actually base color. To I'm actually select this actually black, and we have to see in here viewport shading. Let's have a look. It's perfectly fine. So we need to actually change our Rubik's Cube colors. Or in here, actually, we need to assign a different material. I'm going to select my object in here. As you can see, actually material. And I'm going to object mode to edit mode and go to edge mode to face mode, select, and you just select these faces. So we have to select this one or not. I don't know. Let's have a look. It's actually, yeah, it's perfectly fine though. So we need to select these actually areas too. So how we can actually fast select it, go actually select in here. So select more and let's get just add more. It's well done. So right now I'm actually add one more actually object material and assign it. But this time I'm going to give this is as a white. White color is good right now, I guess. And let's have a look. It's white. Okay, it's a white, it's okay. The next one is red. Let's just select all of the faces again and go to select and select more, less, more. And we have to add one more material to new. And we have to select this one is red, but go to RGB in here. Just red is 1, green and blue is 0, and like that. So, and also go to assign again, and it's okay. The next actually color is green is okay, I guess. Let's select another faces and go to select again, more and less and more. And also you can actually use for the actually control and plus sign in here. So let's add one more actually material here. It's a green one. So we select in here, as you can see, I'm in our RGB mode, and red is 0, blue is 0, the green is 1, and assign this side too. The next one is blue one, so select it again. And this time, let's get to use actually shortcut version, Control and plus, and also give this one more material a new and base color, go to RGB, and green and red is 0, the blue is 1, and assign it. Okay, and it's done for actually little sides. We need to upside and down. So the next actually color is orange and yellow. Yep, orange and yellow. So just select the top of them, select the top of it, and press the Control and plus. And again, one more material, create a new. Let's this time create a perfectly yellow or orange. Orange one is red is 1, and also the green one, it's a little bit lower value for 0.330 in here. It's yeah, yes. And then assign it. The last one is we need to assign just one more color. We need just actually yellow. So, and press Control and plus sign, and also just go to add material one more time, a new, and base color, select for RGB mode. Red and green is 1, the blue is 0, and then assign it again. So, and it's okay for actually Rubik's Cube in here. Go to edit mode to object mode and just change your name to Rubik's Cube and enter, and it's well done. Okay, if you want to more quality of the modeling, you have to change your actually name of material. For example, like it's black and white and red is here, green is here, the blue one is here, orange and yellow is here. We have finished the Rubik's Cube modeling. In here, thank you for watching me and see you next time.